Run! We can take it! Where are your family? What are you doing?
Well, I'm avoiding the blast.
Oh, my nose.
Ow. Henry, are you okay?
I think so.
Oh, Corbett. Ugh. I think you better get the dustpan and brush.
Yeah, my bad. Looks like you weren't allergic to stupidity. Just feathers.
It must have got in there during the pillow fight.